Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to fit a kickstand to your frog bike. This operation requires some tools. You will need a medium-sized cross-headed screwdriver and a 14mm spanner or ratchet. Firstly, unscrew the top plate from the kickstand. Locate the top plate on the rear chainstay behind the bottom bracket. Please note you do not use the hole in the frame brace. Offer up the stand to the bolt and tighten. An open-ended 14mm spanner works, however a ratchet spanner works better. Once tightened, please check the alignment of the stand, making sure there is no interference between the wheel, the frame or the pedal arm. Now you will need to adjust the stand height. Using the screwdriver, loosen the grub screw. Allow the leg to drop to the floor and gently lean the bike towards you, approximately 10 centimeters. Once in place, retighten the grub screw. Your kickstand is now fitted.